Here's a super simple DIY pan tilt mount. You can adjust your shooting direction even while moving. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to build your own. This is a 2-channel wireless relay receiver. You can control it with a remote, which then controls this AC motor. You can put a bracket and a phone on top of the motor. This creates a remote-controlled gimbal. The core idea is to use the relay receiver to control the AC motor's forward and reverse rotation. If you want detailed instructions for this receiver, you can check out other videos on my channel. Here, we're mainly showing you how to make DIY series products. And we'll have more interesting products coming up. This AC motor has 4 wires. The 2 yellow wires are the common lines. They both connect to N. The other 2 lines are L1 and L2. Connect a capacitor in parallel across L1 and L2. Just follow the wiring diagram for the connections. It's a good idea to use different colored wires to keep things organized. Then, connect the power supply. Flip the main power switch. We recommend you use momentary mode or latching mode. I will show you the latching mode. Press the learning button on the receiver 3 times. Press the first button on your remote. Press the second button on your remote. Pairing successful. An AC motor only comes with a single shaft, so we need to add a flange coupling. This creates a small platform. You can also stick on a larger base plate. That forms an even bigger platform. Then you can rotate more items on it. Once you have built the platform, just put on a holder and your phone. And a simple DIY rotating mount is complete. If you want more speed, you can swap out for a faster motor. So, the core logic behind this is, a wireless relay receiver controls the AC motor's direction of rotation. What other cool applications would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. I'll make it happen.